Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you Illustrator's new feature, the dimension tool. Let's start with the liner dimension. If I want to measure a side that already exists, I can pull it up, down, left, or right, and it will give me the dimensions. In this case, it's in centimeters, but if you want to change the unit, click Ctrl R to get the ruler. Click here and change the unit, for example, to inches. Again, use the liner dimension to measure an existent side just by clicking and dragging on it, and here you get the dimension in inches. Then we can move to the angular dimension. You just click on an angle, pull up, for example 90 degrees, or if you want the other side, pull out and get to 70 degrees. But that is not all, because we also have the radial dimension, where you can click at the center of a circle, pull until the circumference, and we get the dimension. Again, you can change the unit over here with the ruler. Click again in the center and pull it to the circumference, and here we have it in a different unit. Now let's go back to the linear dimension, because what if we want to measure something like this small part of the shape from here to here? You just click and click from the starting point to the end point, and it will give you the dimension. You can also move your dimension line to whatever position you want, up or down, or whatever suits your project. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Ciao!